I got this Oraimo Spacebud 2. So in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this Spacebud 2, and also I'll be walking you through the entire setup process of this Spacebud 2 as a first time user. So right now, let's start with the unboxing, but before that, let's take a quick look at the carton and see. You can see right here, Spacebud 2, Oraimo. The features right here, you can see AI powered. Also, you can see AI translation and voice prompt. You can see right here infinite light effect, and you can see right here smart remote control on case. You can see noise off, space on. Now look at the back. At the back right here, you can see Bluetooth, and right here is a QR code where you can scan and install or download the app. You can see. So now let's unbox it. To unbox it, look. So if you bring it this way, you can see this how it looks. You can see right like this. You can bring this out. You can see here is the charging case. Now open this one here, and right inside here it comes with charger and extra boards. Right here is a Type-C charger. Look. And right here is extra 4 boards that come with it. You can see. So let's step this aside. So you can see right here, you can see here is the charging case, and this is how it looks. It looks so sleek and smooth when touching it. Look at the body. Look. And I like the design. Design looks something like maybe a solar body, like maybe an air clip. I can't tell anyway, but I like the design. Look, it looks so sleek when touching, so smooth. You see? Now, how do you open it? Just swipe it. If you swipe it right here, it opens. And once it opens, you will see there is a LED or some light blinking right here. You can see, and right inside here are the 2 earbuds. You can see we have the right earbud and the left earbud. Now, how do you use and connect to your phone? It's very simple. You can see you can bring it out, and right here has a magnet that magnets the board. You can see, and this is how the board looks. This place here has a sensor. If you are playing music, if you tap once here, it will pause. If you tap twice here, it will next to the next music. If you tap 3 times, it will go back to the previous music. You can see, right? So this is how it looks. You can see here Oraimo, and here is the right board. You can see, right? So for instance, I said here has a magnet. So if I place it right here, you see the magnet just clicks it, and this casing also helps to charge the board. You can see, right? So if I put it inside again, you can see the magnet just go automatically. It clicks the board. Okay, now how do we connect to phone? It's very simple. So just bring your phone. If I bring my phone right here, so if you can do this, you must have to install or download the app. You can see, right? So it's very simple right here. So you can see also it comes with the manual here on the carton. Here's the manual. On the manual here, you can see right here, if you open, also you can see the QR code where you can scan and download the app. You can see, right? You can see Oraimo Sound. That's the app name. So on your phone, just come to your QR code on your phone. Then I'll use my phone camera and then go to the QR code right here. And then once I scan right here, I'll get this link. I'll tap here and go to the site. You can see right here. So since I'm using Android phone, I will tap here and go to Play Store, Google Play. So if you take me to Play Store, and here is the app here, Oraimo Sound. So you should download and install the app. So after that, tap and open the app. If you open the app, it looks like this for the first time, and you can see, so just tap on this agree. If you tap on this agree, you can now scroll down and then tap on this where noted, then tap on this again, tap on this again, tap again, and right here you can see here add device. Just tap here and it will search for device. You can see here allow Oraimo sound to make and manage phone calls. Tap allow, tap allow again, tap allow to turn on my Bluetooth. So right now it's searching for the Oraimo. You can see it has searched and found the Oraimo earbud right here. You can see Oraimo Spacebuds. So I'll just tap on it right here. It's connecting. You can see it's pairing. So I'll tap on this pair and connect. I'll get this pop up here. I'll tap on this check icon here. Tap on this pair. You can see I've connected to the Oraimo. So right now, once I just take it out here and put on my ear and play the music, it will start to play. You can see it will start to play. So for now, I'll be putting only one ear first. You can see. So right now, let me go to my phone and play the music. So right now, I'm playing the music. The sound is so good. How? It's wonderful. You can see. So both the right ear and the left ear on my ear right now work very perfectly. So I can put this also on my ear. The sound looks so good. The bass is very, very good. So I can pause right here. I can go to the app again. Oraimo sound. I can tap on it and then tap here, and it brings me. I'll tap on this where noted. So it brings me right here where I can do setup about it all for the Oraimo earbuds. You can see. So for this video, I'm showing you just the unboxing and also how to set up and start using it as a first time user. Maybe in my other videos, I'll show you how to use the app properly.